Well, here we are, a half hour on from when I last talked to you. I've been busy in that time trying to get myself out of this situation. That gives you some idea of the mud here. I've now decided to go barefoot. It's easier because the thongs get buried. Look, thongs get buried about a foot down. Look at this, kids. I bet you'd love to be here doing this. Where's my foot gone? Look at that. Oh, oh. You ready? So that's what I've been doing. Look, I found some bits of timber and I've put it under there with some rocks, and I've got some more to find. And my plan is, I think I'll drive forward, because that's nearly impossible to get through that last 10-12 feet. So I figure we'll drive forward, and that ground up there doesn't look too bad. I didn't go there before because it meant I'd had to turn the front wheels to make it, and that was just a guaranteed recipe to get bogged. But this time I'm facing that way, and I reckon I can sort of head up along there and get myself onto that little grassy section there, which will be pretty stable to drive on. It's only small, but from there I should be able to leap out onto the main road somewhere out there. Anyway, that's the plan.